Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show every one of us how to extract X, Y and Z coordinates from DEM or DTM. These are the coordinates converted from DEM or DTM to Excel. So I'm just going to show you how to achieve that in a jiffy. So you are expected to have your DTM, be it is processed from drone imagery. You're expected to have it in a folder. If you have processed from a drone imagery, or you download your DEM from an open source website, it is meant to be in TIF format. Alright, then you launch into your global mapper. So we are going to be making use of global mapper for this exercise. Okay, so unlike your ArcGIS Pro, where you have to go through a lot of process to extract the coordinate and the cell height from your elevation model or your terrain model, the global mapper automates it immediately. So you just need to navigate to where you have your DTM file or your DEM, any which of the case. Select the TIF file, then you click on open to import into the global mapper. So here is my DTM. So I just want to extract the elevations of each cell size. So each cell has, graded values, both the distance, northings and elevation. So let's just automate that immediately into Excel format. So you select the file here on your layer workspace, right click, scroll down to layer, then you navigate to export layer to file. So you are going to see this option. Click on this drop down, you'll see different options format you can export to, but the export format of interest is the XYZ grid. So you just scroll down to navigate to XYZ grid. So this is the format that converts your elevation model or your terrain model to eastings, northings elevations in Excel format. So you select that, then you click on OK to bring out this box. So you need to click on tab so that you can easily open with your notepad and also with your Excel. So select the tab, leave every other thing on default. This resolution is based on the resolution of my elevation model. So if you have downloaded an SRTM of 90 meter or 30 meter resolutions, you will see the resolution values here. So you can actually resample to edit all this. In case you have a very bigger file that is going to take longer period of time to convert to Excel, you can actually increase the resolution. All right, you need to increase it, then you click on this resampling and make your sample size. You need to train your software to make the sample size to be bigger so that it can extract at different sample points across your elevation models. I hope we get that. However, I'm going to leave this on default because it's a very small file. It's a small region of an area, so it's not going to take much of my time to extract. So after you check all this, or you want to do your editing, just make sure you perfectly do your editing. But I'm going to leave all this on default. Of course, vertical unit, I want it to be meters, so you just click on OK. Then you need to select the path where you want your exported data to be. So I'm going to call this DTM underscore extract. So it's under my desktop and you can now click on save. So depending on how large your elevation model is, it's going to take time, but it's faster in my own case and it's done. You can now close this, and here it is on my desktop window. Then I'm going to right click. However, it is best you open with notepad first so that all your converted elevations and coordinates can be seen. So here it is. So I have up to how many points extracted. So I'm just going to scroll down. This is close to millions of points. All right, this is about still going down, a million plus. Okay, about 1.58 million points. So you can see. So if you want to go ahead to import into other software, you can just save your data as .test. This is the best format to save your data as .test so that you can import into other softwares, okay, of interest. So if you want to open with your notepad, you can go ahead to open that. However, not all of your point data will be loaded. So here it is on Excel. So this is how to convert your elevation model or terrain model into X, Y, and Z, distance, nothings, and elevations. If you find this video helpful and informative, do well to hit on the subscribe icon, as well as turn on your notification on this channel to keep on getting valuable tutorial freely. If you're in need of this data set, you can just check the comment section to download from the platform. Thank you. See you in the next video.